Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to another Lock Sport update. Welcome back to this week's Lock Sport update. This is a very fun video series that I started so I could update the community on some of my own accomplishments, but more importantly, this is a really great place for everyone to share any of their accomplishments throughout the week. I really enjoy trying to highlight some of the smaller channels and just trying to spread the word of a lot of the great channels in our community. If you have any updates that you'd like to share, please drop them in the comments below and I'll try to include them in next week's Lock Sport update. So I'd like to first start off this week's Lock Sport update by going over a few of the newer channels that have recently started. They are very small, only have a handful of videos, and they are some pretty cool channels to start checking out. You may not have heard of them before, but you'll hear about them today. So the first channel I'd like to go over goes by PickBender. He has his icon kind of like Bender from Futurama. I'm not sure if that's kind of a play on words, but that's pretty cool. That was a fun TV show. But either way, PickBender is a very new channel, but he is also a very skilled picker. You can see him picking an Econ R10 on his channel, and I'll put a quick clip of that video right now.
Hi everybody, PickBender here. The lock in front of me is an Econ R10. I would like to give you a quick overview about the lock. So the Econ R10 is in principle a multi-lock MT5 Plus. Econ and multi-lock, they both belong to SI Alloy, and the R10 is in that regards a branded MT5 Plus. The webpage of the Econ R10 as well as the key, you can see it here. They refer to the MT5 or MT5 Plus logo and relevant patents.
Thank you so much for checking out PickBender. He is a very small channel, but he has been picking some pretty interesting locks. He only has a few videos, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes a big difference and it'll really help his channel start to stand out and show up in the search algorithm, and I highly recommend you check him out. Another very new channel goes by Cherokee. Cherokee Lockpicking. This is a very new channel, only has I think about 3 videos at the time of making this, or it may be only 2, but they are a very small channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll a very quick clip of Cherokee picking open an American Lock 1100 series padlock. That is one of my favorite locks to work on. I'm going to roll that clip for you right now.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining me at Cherokee Lockpicking. Tonight I have an American lock. It's a 1100 series. And here is the bitty. Right there. I am going to use top of the keyway 50 thousandths. And I like to make sure I'm not in there too deep because that messes with pins. And if it's not deep enough, it goes flying. I hope that doesn't happen. I'm using a southward Euro pick. And I'm finding I really like this for American locks. And I don't feel anything. Oh, one gave me a click. And felt a turn. Oh my goodness, I got it. That was rather quick. That's wonderful. Alrighty.
Alright, so thank you so much for checking out that quick clip on Cherokee. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more videos by Cherokee, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can consider checking them out and consider subscribing. Cherokee and PickBender are both very small channels, and every subscription makes such a big difference, so I really recommend that you guys check out these two channels. And this week we have reached a few milestones as well. The first channel I'm going to mention is LockMania. He had recently hit his 100 subscribers and did a giveaway, and now, in no time, he has reached 200 subscribers. So, LockMania, congratulations on that milestone. It is so cool to see all of the channels growing so quickly and seeing them reaching all these really cool milestones. So LockMania is very excited, and what he is going to do is he is going to have a 200 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to show a quick clip of his giveaway announcement video right now.
Hey guys, now I will finally announce the 200 sub giveaway, so let's get into it. So this is the full giveaway for my 200 subscribers. It took only a month from when I had 100 to the 200, so didn't have much time to get anything else. But you know, this is basically what I will have made in the giveaway anyway.
If you have not already checked out LockMania, he is a really great guy. He is always making a lot of content, and I highly recommend you check him out. So I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another channel that I'm going to mention today is Capulin. Capulin just hit a 100 subscriber milestone. He is very excited about that. It has been a lot of fun watching him grow. What he has recently started doing is he has been working on making some custom lockpicks. He has felt inspired by Jason Carlson and Daz Evers. Right here is a Jason Carlson pick, and I recently featured a video on one of Daz Evers' Cocobolo picks. They both make really stunning picks, and he is really starting to try to make some himself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show a quick clip of the pick that he has been working on.
Hi there, Chris here. This is a sort of work in progress video, and this is the first attempt at making a homemade pick. And it's, like I say, it's a work in progress. I'd be working on it now, but it's raining out, so I thought I'd do this video. This is made out of this is just feeler gauge stock, and I just sort of drew a profile on there and ground away with just a grinder. When you grind away the material with a grinder, it can heat up this metal and take the temper out, so you want to do a little grind and then dip it in cold water, and a little more grind and dip it in cold water. If you heat it up too much, you're going to make it soft or brittle, or not what you won't get the properties out of it that you want by using this. So, and you can get this in just feeler gauge, a lot of different gauges, or Sparrows has their really nice steel in these blanks, or you can buy large stock. This is I can't see it through the camera, but it's a big long piece of 18 thousandths, as you can see. And so you can make quite a few picks out of this stuff.
So thank you so much for checking out Capulin. He is a really great guy, always making new videos. And also stay tuned for his 100 subscriber giveaway. He did announce that he's going to be doing one soon, but I have not seen the official announcement video yet. But if you'd like to check out his channel, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. So the next few channels I'm going to go over are some pretty cool channels. One is Monkey Lockpicks. Monkey Lockpicks reached out to me, and he wants to send out to me a few of his custom lockpicks. He is really passionate about making them, and he really wanted me to try them out, and also he wanted to send me an extra one that I can do for a giveaway. So he is sending that out pretty soon, and I'm pretty excited. I am always interested in checking out people's custom lockpicks. It is just so fun to see how people make them, see what techniques they use, and then trying them out on some actual locks. So I'm really excited for that. Thank you again, Monkey Lockpicks, for thinking about me and sending those out and donating to me so I can do a pretty cool giveaway with one of those picks. He is also making a lot of cool videos. He recently reviewed the multi-pick Elite G Pro Series dimple pick set. That is a pretty cool commercial set that you can try out. I haven't personally tried it out myself, but it is interesting to see that there are starting to be some more selections out there for dimple picks. I am happy to see that there is much more access to all these different types of picks. So if you'd like to check out that video, I'm going to show you a very quick clip of that review, and you can check it out right now.
Hey pickers, welcome back. I'm HelpfulLockPicker, and today I have something really special for you. I've just received a nice package from Multipick, and I want to give you a glimpse and a little review about the new G Pro Dimple Pick set. Wow, man, take a look at this awesome set of pins. This is just unbelievable.
Thank you so much for checking out the very quick clip of HelpfulLockPicker's review on the Dimple Lockpick set. If you enjoyed that video and you'd like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Another thing that I am very excited about is I not only am going to have the lock picks coming in from HelpfulLockPicker, but also Daz Everest has told me that he is sending me out another pick. I saw when he made his pick out of snakewood. It was just such a beautiful wood, and I really fell in love with it. He mentioned a few months ago that he'd be willing to make me one. I have been patiently waiting, and it is now officially in the mail. I cannot wait to get that package in. And Daz Everest, just thank you so much for thinking of me and making me another custom pick. You do such a fantastic job, and I am just so excited, and I cannot wait to see that come in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the links to all these channels in the description below so you can consider checking them out and subscribing. And I just want to say again, thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, that has helped support it by subscribing, liking, sharing, clicking the notification bell, and just making this such a fun channel to run. I have reached 15,000 subscribers, and I am planning on this Wednesday to start the announcement video on the giveaway that will be coming up very shortly. I am excited to be doing this giveaway, and thank you again to everyone that has helped support this channel. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you today. Today has been this week's LockSport update. If you have any updates that you'd like to share, I highly encourage you to leave them in the comments below. It is a really great thing to be able to highlight all the channels, and I thank you so much for leaving your comments below. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.